Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the phone and PC. Enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and connect the phone to your computer. Install the Android platform tools so a DB works. Run a DB devices to confirm a connection. Once done, back up the app or entire phone, use Google Backup or a DB backup because deleting app config is irreversible. Make sure battery is above 50% and you have file transfers enabled so commands run without interruption or accidental. Now perform the middle steps carefully. Run a DB shell and use PM list packages or PM pathname to get the package name. Navigate to likely locations like /data/package, /shared-prefs, or /data/user/0/package/files to locate app config files. If the device is unrooted, prefer PM uninstall user 0 package to remove the app for the current user. If rooted, remount and rem/ref the specific app config file or folder, then set correct ownership. This erases persistent settings immediately. Finish by rebooting the phone and verifying the change. Open the app to ensure its configuration was removed or reset. If the app recreated the config, clear app data via settings or repeat removal with correct package path. If something goes wrong, restore your backup or reinstall the app. For troubleshooting, check a DB logcat or permission errors to see why files persist. Make sure to verify file ownership and SE Linux denials if you used root operations. Then repeat only the necessary removal steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.